Small world after all. Okay, let's start the recording. Good afternoon, my dear grade 5/5.
Good afternoon, teacher, and good afternoon, classmates.
Okay, since Teacher Yin is here, you say good afternoon, teachers, and good afternoon, classmates. Again, good afternoon, my dear
Good
grade 5.
afternoon, teachers, and good afternoon,
Afternoon,
classmates.
good afternoon, classmate.
Okay, very good. So, let's sing a song. Everyone, please sing with teacher. Please sing together with me.
It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of
Let's go back.
It's a
It is
world of
warm
laughter, a
from the
world of tears.
mercy.
It's a world of
No
hopes and a
possible
world
and
of
where
fears.
mercy.
There's so
There is
much that we
neither the
share that's
sun, the
unknown.
mineral,
It's a
and the
small
small
world
about to
after all.
roll.
It's a
It's a
small
small
world
robot
after
to
all.
roll.
It's a
It's a
small
small
world
robot
after
to
all.
roll.
It's a
It's a
small
small
world
robot
after
to
all.
roll.
It's a small,
Oh,
small
small
world.
world.
There is
There is
just one
nothing
moon
in
and the
all.
moon and the
There is
sun.
sun
And the
and the
smile
snow.
means friendship
To
to everyone.
everyone.
Though the mountains seem high and the oceans are wide, it's a small world after all. It's a
It's a
small
small
world
robot
after
to
all.
roll.
It's a
It's a
small
small
world after
robot to
all.
roll.
It's a
It's a
small
small
world
robot
after
to
all. It's a
roll.
small,
Small,
small
small
world.
world.
It's a
It's a
small
small
world
robot to
after all.
roll.
It's a
It's a
small
small
world after
robot to
all.
roll.
It's a
It's a
small
small
world after
robot to roll.
all. It's a small, small world.
World.
It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a
It's a
small
small
world after all.
world.
It's a small,
Small,
small
small world.
world. It's a small,
World.
small
World.
Chit chit. Okay, and
Chit,
that's
chit.
it for that song about small world. It's a small world after all. Okay, our subject for this time is
Mathematics.
mathematics, mathematics. I love math. I love math.
I love math.
It's so
It's
exciting.
so exciting. Every week we do learning. I love math. I love math.
Okay. Our lesson is about volume of a rectangular prism. Wait. Someone wants to join the meeting? Cheating. Do you see my screen?
Yes,
What do you see? What the,
I see dog.
you see two cute dogs, a big and a small. Small and big dog. See my? They're so cute.
Yes.
Volume of rectangular prism. They're best friends. Me taking selfies with my best friend. So cute. Okay. So last time we have learned about rectangular prism. How to get the volume of a rectangular prism. See my? The formula of getting the volume is V equals length times width times height. Same, right? Okay, now let us read these words first. Right prisms.
Right prism.
A right
A
prism
right
A
prism is
right
a
prism is a
geometry
trigonometric
solid
solid
that
that
has
has
a
a
a
polygon
polygon
its
at its
at its
base
base and
and
vertical
vertical
side
side
perpendicular
perpendicular to
to
the
the
base.
base.
The
The
base
base and
and
top
top
surface
surface
are the
are
same
the
shape
same
and
shape
size.
and size.
Okay, so that is a right prism. Example of right prism is rectangular prism, cube or cuboid. Okay, that's example of right prism. Polygon. Okay, let's read. Many-sided shape. Many
Many side
shape.
sided
Example,
shape
octagon.
octagon, hexagon.
Okay, so we already know the types of or examples of polygon. Si may triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, what else? Hexagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, si may? Okay. So let's read the meaning. What is volume? Volume
Volume is the amount of liquid or solid
solid
that will fill
a
a
three-dimensional
three-dimensional object.
object. Okay, so volume is the amount of liquid or solid that will fill a three-dimensional object. Always measured in unit or units cube. Chimay? Not the same with area. When we get the finding the area, we only use squared or 2. Chimay? But in finding the volume, we use cube or 3, right? Okay, so quick definition. Three-dimensional objects are not flat. Okay, are not flat. When you say flat, it's like two-dimensional or 2D only. 2D can simply draw in a piece of paper, but 3D object is not flat. Shimay? Example. Example of 3D or three-dimensional shapes like um, cylinder. What else? Can you give example? Cylinder. What else, students? Cone, rectangular prism, square base, square base,
Square base pyramid.
pyramid. What else? Spear,ใช่ไหม
Cube.
Spear, cube, ใช่ cube. What else? Cuboid,
Cone.
cone, ใช่ Okay, cone. Let's do it again. Cone, cylinder, sphere, rectangular prism, what else?
cube,
Cube,
square base pyramid.
square base pyramid, chai. Okay, so those are example of 3D or three-dimensional shapes. Example of object that is 3D. Can you give an example of 3D object?
Tissue box,
Tissue box. Very good. What else? Mm,
box of Pringle,
box of Pringles or the what shape is that? It's cylinder, ใช่ไหม?
cylinder,
ใช่ it's a cylinder shape. A glass, ใช่ไหม? It's also a cylinder. The base is circle and the top is also circle. Party hat, ใช่ไหม? Party hat. It's a
yes,
cone.
cone of ice cream,
Cone of ice cream or ice cream cone. Microwave, ใช่ไหม? Microwave.
yes,
It's a rectangular prism. How about,
ball,
yes, a ball is what kind of shape? Spear, ใช่ไหม?
spear,
Spear. ใช่ ball. How about tent? Tent for camping. Tent for camping, it's either square base pyramid
square
or
base pyramid,
square base pyramid. Okay, so they have three measurements. Na? In three-dimensional objects, they have three measurements. Length, width, and height. Okay, so if we're going to measure 3D shapes, we use these three measurements: length, width, and the height. Example. Okay, let us read first. Volume. Volume, the amount of space. The amount of space
the amount of space
occupied.
occupied by an object.
Okay. Example, the volume is this cube is all the space contained by the sides of cube measured in cube units. So you're going to identify or look for the length, width, and height. To calculate the volume of a prism, we first need to calculate the area of the base of the prism. So you're going to get the area of the base. Example, rectangle. So how to get the area of rectangle? Area is equal to length times width, or 2L, 2 length times 2 width. ใช่ไหม? That's the formula of rectangle. But it's easier if we're going to do the volume equals length times width times height. Okay? So let's try. Find the volume of this prism. Formula. Okay, they're the same na. The meaning of B is base. Okay, the meaning of B is base. Okay. So identify where is the length. Length D9. Or length เท่าไหร่? What is the length?
5
5 centimeter. How
centimeter,
about the width?
4,
4,
How about the height?
7,
7,
7. Okay, don't forget that when we say length, that is how the shape or how long the shape is. When width, looking for the width, you're going to find how wide the shape is. And the height is how high the shape is. Okay, so it's easy. Just multiply. 5 centimeter times 4 centimeter times 7 centimeter. Okay, multiply. 5 times 4
140.
times 7 equals?
140.
Okay, just multiply all the measurements. It's equal to 140. What is the unit? 140 like cube
Cube centimeter
centimeter or
or cc.
okay or 140 cc. Okay. Okay, this one. Does it matter which side is the base? Okay, rectangular prism. Let's read. A rectangular prism
A rectangular prism is a solid
figure
figure that has six faces that
faces
are all rectangular. Opposite faces are
congruent
concave
and
and
parallel.
parallel.
Okay. When you say rectangular prism, if you count the faces of that shape, it has 6 faces. Same, right? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 at the back, 5, 6. It's always 6. Rectangular prism, cuboid, or cube has always 6 faces. Okay. And also, all the faces are rectangles. All the faces are rectangles. And opposite parallel faces, I mean, all opposite faces are parallel and congruent. When you say congruent, the same. Shimay? The same size, the same shape. A cube. Okay, who wants to read for this one? A cube. Cube. Who wants to read for a cube? Okay, cow home girl. Can you read this one for me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, cow home girl. A cube.
What sentence, teacher?
Alina.
What sentence?
All the sentence. Okay, Mai? This one.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. A cube.
A cube is a solid figure that has six faces that are all squares. All faces are
Congruent.
congruent and parallel. This shape is
Is
classified as
classified as
classified as a rectangular
them
prisms because all squares are
technically.
technically rectangles.
Very good. Okay, clap your hands for cow home girl. Okay. So, 2 points for cow home girl. A cube is a solid figure that has 6 faces that are all square. When you say cube, all the faces is square. Shimai, all the faces are square. All faces are congruent and parallel. This shape is classified as rectangular prism because all squares are technically rectangles. Chai. And I will also give 2 points for first. first read the first sentence, am? This one. She read rectangular prism. So fine. Now let's find the volume of this rectangular prism. I want to ask somebody. Okay, I want to ask somebody to identify the length. I will give 1 point to
That's
identify
me.
where is the length. Okay, cartoon. Do you want to answer?
Yes.
Okay, cartoon. Where is or what is the length?
12
12. How to read that one? Millimeter.
millimeter.
Am?
Yes.
Okay, 12 millimeter. How about the width?
2
2 millimeter. And the height is?
3 millimeter.
Okay, 3 millimeter. Now, how to solve this one? What is the formula?
Length times width times height.
Okay, length times width times
Yes.
height. Okay, let's solve. Can you do this one on your notebook?
Yes.
Everyone, Tukon, solve this one on your math notebook. Okay, let's write the formula. Ani song kanina? Okay, I will give 2 points for cartoon because she gave all the answer. Now, get your math notebook. Answer this one. Okay, the formula is volume is equal to length times. Okay. Okay, use your math notebook to solve this one. Volume is equal to length times width times height. Okay. 2 minutes only. 2 minutes to answer this one.
Teacher, write this number one.
Yeah, write this one, number 1. 2 points each item. It's right here, number 1. Hmm. Papa is
Teacher,
ready.
draw.
Okay, you can draw again to CC. Can you draw? Can you draw or cannot draw? I will I will teach you how to draw like this.
Can, but it's hard to draw.
Chai, there
Just
is an
use
easy way
long,
to draw that one.
use a little bit time.
Chai. Okay, look at it. Look at my screen. Teacher Mary will show you how to draw a prism. Okay, first thing you need to do, you draw a shape. Example, rectangle. Okay, you're going to draw a rectangle. After that, at the back, you also draw a rectangle. Say mai? Meaning you're going to draw 2 rectangles. After that, Connect. Connect. Oy, connect ใช่ไหม Connect the edge or the corners of the rectangle. Connect, 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 connect. Easy. So easy. So easy, right? And if you want to erase this one, you can. You can erase this. Are you done? Are you done? Yes or no? Not yet.
Yes, but don't finish draw.
Not yet finished drawing. What is your answer? What is your answer for this one? 12?
72.
Okay, let's answer. Length is 12 millimeter times. What is the width? 2 ใช่ไหม
2.
And height is 3. Okay, so volume is equal to 72 cube millimeter. M, M, what happened to my screen? Oy. Okay, who got the correct answer?
Me.
72. How about the other student?
Me.
Okay, 2 points for number 1. 72 cubic millimeter or 72 alay.
MC.
C
CM.
M CMM.ใช่ไหม CMM cubic millimeter. Okay, next. Number 2. Answer this one, number 2. Okay, let me ask you first. What is the length? What is the length of this shape?
4.
Okay, very good. 4. What is the width?
3.
Okay, 3. And the height?
10.
10. Okay, I'll give you some nati. 2 minutes. Draw a rectangle shape. Rectangle shape. At the back, rectangle also.
Teacher, number 1.
Not finished, Luna?
Yes.
Kamay. Let's go back. Done?
Yes.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's proceed. Let's proceed to number two. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is also a rectangular prism. Easy mind?
Yes.
Easy. Easy for cartoon. How about the other? Luna, easy mind?
Very easy, teacher.
No.
Inkjet. It's very easy. Luna, it's not easy, love.
Yes.
Why? You just have to.
I don't like math.
Oh, you should love math.
If you understand, you
Why do
would
you
say
and why do
understand.
you always put cringy song?
No, it's not cringy. It's nice songs.
No, it's not for me.
It's nice.
I
There
do not like
a
kids song.
crocodile and orangutan, a flying eagle and a slippery fish, a bunny, a beaver, a crazy elephant. Na 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 na. It's very nice. You know?
No, I do not like kids song.
You don't like kids song?
Yeah,
What song do you like?
I like a lot,
Adult song?
but, but not kids song.
What kind of adult song? Can you give a title so I can sing for you?
No, I don't know. I like a lot, and my guinea pig is more nicer than the song.
There was a guinea pig.
There, there was a
There was a guinea pig and orangutan, a flying eagle and silvery fish.
Are you gonna continue the math?
Are you done?
No. Are you gonna continue the
Okay, volume is equal to length times width times height. What is your answer for number two, students? What's your answer? Talay.
120.
Let's see if you have the same answer. How about the other? What is your answer? Times.
120.
Okay, 120. Length is 4. Shimay? Times 3 times 10. 4 times 3. 4 times 3 equals 12.
12.
Times 10 equals
120.
120. 120 alay,
Q inches.
cubic
Q
inches.
inches.
120 cubic inches or 120 C
CIN.
CIN. Sai. Now what happened to my computer? CIN cubic inches. Okay. Who got the correct answer?
Me.
2 points for that. Okay, number 3. Very long. It's very long shape. Okay, what is the width? Ano siya? Length. What is the length?
11.
11 inches. How about the wheel?
9 inches.
And the height?
40 inches.
Okay, 40 inches. It's a world of laughter, the world of tears. It's the world of hope and the world of fears. There's so much that we share, and it's time
But
we're
why not
a
take
small
screenshot?
world after all. It's a small world after all. That's not for kids. Luna, that song is not for kids only. Sumay? Only for, that's not for kids, it's for all, like adult and old person.
Teacher, number two.
Not finished?
Gotta take a screenshot.
Okay. Make sure you do this one on your math notebook, okay? Done?
Yes.
Finish, teacher.
Finish. Cartoon is finished already. How about the other students? Open your microphone so I can hear your voice. I want to hear voice from the boys. I want to hear voice from the boys. Like Leo, Inkjet,
Finish, teacher.
Will.
No, teacher, no.
Not yet. Okay.
I'm finished.
Okay, 5 is finished already.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, first is finished. This is the final item. All in all, you can have 6 points. Do you hear news about war? Do you hear news? Do you watch news in television? Student? Students, do you watch television?
I thought I finished.
No.
No.
Yeah.
I don't watch television.
News.
Yeah, sometimes you watch television, especially news. You know what is news?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
I watch sometimes.
you watch sometimes. There is a news in the television right now that there is a war
I
between
know about that.
You know about that, Luna?
Yes.
About what?
Yesterday, my father was watching it, the news.
Yeah. What news is that?
That war,
Yeah, that war between what country?
Russia and Ukraine.
All right. There is a war between Russia and Ukraine. No? It's very sad.
Pray,
It's very, very sad.
yeah,
There are innocent people, a
Ukraine.
lot of innocent people.
Innocent people in Ukraine. It's sad. I don't like war.
Me too. That's why we're singing. It's a, s- it's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hope and a world of fears. There's so much that we share, and it's time we're aware. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all, but there is a war. It's very sad. Okay, what's your answer for number three? What's your answer for this one? Length is 11. Right? 11. Width is palay. Width is 9. And height is
40.
40. Okay. 11 times 9 times 40.
3,560.